Hey guys, it's a great day because Winston and I are going camping today, and I wanted to show you how I have the van set up and ready to go. We are mostly ready to roll out of our apartment complex and head out to a state park for some camping. So the van is all set to go. I have my bed made with my back pillow all ready. I just kind of like stack my blankets and stuff behind my back pillow, and I also have my sweater. I have some pillows, extra fleece blankets, things to keep us warm. I also have a heating blanket that I will be bringing on this trip. Winston's bed is all set. I took out the camping toilet since we won't be needing it for this camp trip in particular, so I have the igloo cooler sitting right there. Winston's bed and things are on top of it, and all of our dry food storage is in that igloo cooler. This is that new folding seat that I got. I have a video about it up already. I plan to try it out on this trip just to kind of test it out and see how it goes. Use it in a few different scenarios. So yeah, everything's looking nice and organized and clean. I always love to get everything all set up and looking nice before I head out. Moving to the trunk, you can see here my stack of blankets and things. I'm bringing my bucket. I will have access to restrooms and showers there, but I am still bringing my bucket. My toilet stuff is all set up, so it just sits here, so I will take it right off of my bin and put it in my toilet tent. Even though I do have restrooms there, I'm still going to set up my toilet tent. And then behind here, I have my toilet tent there in the corner, my personal hygiene caddy on the top, and then my kitchen and my coffee things all set to go. I do still need to pack up Winston's food as well as my food in my Yeti cooler. I have my extension cords, I have my solar, I have my Jackery, I have a surge protector, I have everything I need. I will have regular electric hookups at this campground. So I do plan to hook up, but I also plan to use my solar and test a few different setups so I can make some helpful videos for you guys. My clothes are underneath my bed, and I also have my water in the front. I think that about covers it all. I gotta grab my heating blanket, Winston's food, my cold food, and of course Winston. And then we will be headed out to a local state park. I also wanted to let you guys know that in February of this year, yes, February 2021, Winston and I will be driving across the country in our van to Florida. So we are doing a second cross-country trip. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Please follow us on social media across all platforms at Dog Mom Days. I also have a Red Roof Inn giveaway coming up. I'm giving away 5 nights at a Red Roof Inn. So be looking out for that. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate your support every single day. Please like this video, and we'll see you next time.